Osmo Mobile 6 Unfolding the Gimbal. From the previous design, Osmo Mobile 6 adds an axis lock and auto-powering on-off function. This makes for more convenient storage and a better user experience. To unfold the gimbal, hold the grip and tilt the axis arm with one hand. Push the axis joint gently to unlock the axis lock with the other hand. Lift the tilt axis arm. You will hear a beep, indicating that the gimbal is powered on and begun to function. Attach your phone magnetically to start using. Bluetooth connection. Make sure there is internet connection and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Launch the DJI Mimo app. Find the Bluetooth name of the gimbal, tap Connect to enter camera view. If you are an iOS user, you can launch Osmo Mobile 6 even faster. Connect via Bluetooth for the first time and enable precise location in phone settings. From your next time of use, power on the gimbal and attach the smartphone. Make sure the magnetic dots are aligned, and your smartphone will display a notification for launching DJI Mimo. Tap, and you will immediately enter camera view. To fold the gimbal, detach the smartphone first. Rotate the pan axis 90 degrees. Rotate the tilt axis to the limit and fold gently. Make sure the mark of the axis arm slots into the hole on the handle. You will hear 2 beeps, indicating that the gimbal has powered off. You can also rotate the axis to the locked position for more secure storage.